Hi everyone, I am Payal and I welcome everyone in my today's class wherein we are going to do a revision in this particular session. So we all know कि हमारा सारे वीक में PIB कंपाइलेशन जो है या फिर अगर मैं बात करूँ PIB जो एनालिसिस है वो डेली क्लास रहता है 7 PM पे. ये जो सैटरडे की क्लास रहती है वो रहती है रिविजन पर्सपेक्टिव से. सो बेसिकली टुडे वील सी द MCQs दैट आर entirely based on the on the news that were there in the entire week. So जितनी भी हमने जो इस वीक में जितनी भी हमने न्यूज़ कवर करी है उसके ऊपर हम क्या करेंगे इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन में हम उसके रिगार्डिंग MCQs देखेंगे. दैट इज कंप्लीटली दैट विल कंप्लीटली फुलफिल द पर्पस ऑफ व्हाट योर रिविजन पर्पस. तो बच्चे की वीकेंड में रिविजन भी हो जाए. वी आर इंश्योरिंग दैट ऑल्सो. नाउ पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा क्लास का. सो वन बाय वन वील सी द क्वेश्चंस. देखो न्यूज़ जो है वो हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, उसी के ऊपर जो है वो MCQs में लेकर आई हूँ. सो वट एवर द क्वेश्चन यू आर गेटिंग दिस इज वेरी श्योर दिस इज वेरी इंश्योर्ड कि हमने जो न्यूज़ है वो डिस्कस हम कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. सो पहले आई विल रीड द क्वेश्चन, आई विल गेट आउट ऑफ द फ्रेम, यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो, यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन, देन यू कैन आंसर इट. मैं जो है वो साथ साथ आंसर जो है वो करती रहूंगी, बट दिस इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू पॉज द वीडियो एंड देन टू आंसर इट. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम यू पीपल एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो इज कि जितने भी क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, ठीक है, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे उनमें से आपके कितने करेक्ट हुए हैं ये आपको कमेंट में लिख के जाना है कि मैम दिस इज माय स्कोर ऑफ टुडेज क्लास और आई वुड से रिवीजन क्लास. ठीक है. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द वीडियो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर in front of your screen is that which sector experienced a budget allocation increase from 45 crore in 2024 से लेके 25 to 1148 crore in 2025-26 under the PLI scheme. So here we are talking about the production linked incentive. So which sector is the one? Is it pharmaceutical? Is it textiles? Is it white goods? Specialty steel, automobile, and your auto components? Which sector is the one? You can pause the video and you can answer it. I hope that you have analyzed the question, you have read the question, you have given correct answer. So the correct answer we have is textile industry, which is your B. Similarly, we have next question on PLI. By how much has the budget allocation for the electric and IT hardware sector increased under the PLI scheme for 2025-26 compared to the revised estimate for 2024-25? Is it A, B, C, D or E? I'm getting out of the frame. You can read the question and you can answer it. I hope everyone has given the correct answer. The correct answer we have is D, which is 3,223 crore. Next question, which of the following features is included in the NHAI 1 mobile application? So here we are talking about the highway authorities. हमने ये देखा था कि दो हमने यहाँ पे चीजें पढ़ी थी. ठीक है. One, the first statement you have is live traffic updates for commuters. Your monitoring of field staff attendance in highway maintenance is there, providing weather forecasting for highway regions, offering tourism information along with the national highways, facilitating your online payment of the traffic fines. So which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D or E? I hope you have given the correct answer. So the correct answer we have is B. ठीक है. Next question. What is the primary purpose of Raj Marg Yatra mobile application? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Here we are talking about what? Here we are talking about Raj Marg Yatra. ठीक है. Here we are talking about राजमार्ग यात्रा and I told you कि राजमार्ग यात्रा को आपने कैसे याद करना है. You take its English meaning. ठीक है. You take its English meaning and you will be able to remember it. I hope you have given the correct option. So the correct option we have is B, which is to provide citizens with information about highways. आप उनको already आप टोल प्लाजास की information ले सकते हो जो आपके पास में amenities वगैरह है जैसे टॉयलेट्स हो गए या फिर और भी जो सुविधाएं हैं आप उनका चेक कर सकते हो and you can allow them to report issues as well. So this is directly related to your grievances as well. Next question, which who is the Indian societal entrepreneur known for co-founding your Safe Tippin, a mobile app designed to enhance your women's safety in urban spaces through your data driven insights? Is it Kalpana, Vishwanath, Eva, Kyle, your Claire Watson, Elias Mumford and your Nicole Cams? Which one is the correct option? I hope you have given the correct option. So the correct option we have is A. Next question we have is which city implemented a feminist approach to urban planning by introducing measures such as wider payments, better lighting and more benches to enhance your safety and inclusivity for the marginalized genders? Is it A, B, C, D or E? I hope you have given the correct answer. So the correct answer we have is A, which is Veena. ठीक है. Next question we have is, by what percentage did the net profit of public sector banks grow year on year in the first 9 months of financial year 2024-25? Is it A, B, C, D or E? I'm getting out of the frame. You can read the question and you can answer it. ठीक है. I hope you have given the correct option. So the correct option we have is C. ठीक है. Next question we have is, what is the aggregate net profit reported by public sector banks in the first 9 months, that is April से लेकर December तक of financial year 2024-25? Is it A, B, C, D or E? We have read this, we have already read this कि जो परफॉर्मेंस है, जो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स की परफॉर्मेंस है, उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करा गया था, उसके ऊपर जो प्रॉपर डेटा है वो दिया गया था. सो दीज टू क्वेश्चंस आर entirely on the data, on the performance of the public sector bank. So I assume that you have given the correct option. So the correct option is C. Next question we have is, under which initiative a common service centers established to provide digital services in the rural areas? Now here we are talking about what? Common service centers. Common service centers which we have already discussed. Is it Digital India, Make in India, Startup India, Skill India या फिर Smart Cities Mission? Which one is the correct option? So the correct option we have is Smart Cities Mission, ठीक है, which is E. Next question we have is, what is the primary objective of the Bharat Net project? भारत नेट प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है. भारत नेट प्रोजेक्ट में हमने किसके बारे में बात करी थी? इंक्लूसिविटी की बात करी थी कि हम टेक्नोलॉजी को इंक्लूसिव करेंगे. वी इंश्योर दिस थिंग दैट इट इज गेटिंग रीच आउट टू द ईच एंड एवरी सेक्टर. सो यू सी दिस थिंग दैट विच वन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. I hope that you have given the correct option. So the correct option we have is C, to connect all gram panchayats with a high speed broadband. ठीक है, इसी के अंदर हमने बात करी थी कि इंक्लूसिविटी जो है इसके अंदर हम इंक्लूड करेंगे. Which one of the following commodities were recently added in e-Naam platform? Is it soybean, dragon fruit, sugar cane, your potato या फिर onion? Now e-Naam is your agriculture marketing system, है ना, we all know. अब इसको ऑनलाइन जो है हम करने की बात कर रहे हैं. This is the initiative that was taken by the government of India to give easy access of the market to the farmers. So which one is the correct option? I hope that you have given the correct option. So the correct option we have is dragon fruit, which is B. Next question we have is, as of the latest update, how many total commodities are available for trade on the e-Naam platform? So we basically read कि इसके अंदर जो commodities है वो add करी गई हैं, इसके अंदर जो commodities है वो add करी गई हैं, और add करने के बाद अब जो e-Naam के अंदर जो total commodities हैं वो कितनी हो गई हैं? Is it 200, 210, 220, 231 या फिर 250? Which one is the correct option? So the correct option we have is 231, which is your D. Next question we have is, what was the key topics discussed during the third India-Japan Steel Dialogue? So which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D or E? You can read from the question itself. You can read from the question itself that third India-Japan Steel Dialogue was exchanged. It means कि उनका जो investment, हमारा जो steel sector है particularly, उसके अंदर जापान कैसे investment कर सकता है और कैसे जापान जो है इंडिया के अंदर और से ज़्यादा क्या कर सकता है, participate कर सकता है. So which one is the correct option? Correct. So the correct option we have is B, which talks about the steel trade between India and Japan. Who co-chaired the third India-Japan Steel Dialogue representing your Japan? Which one is the correct option? So this is very obvious. The correct option we have is C. Next question, which institution is collaborating with the Ministry of Agriculture, Farmer Welfare and on Project Vistar? On Project Vistar, is it IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur या फिर IIT Kanpur? So the correct answer we have is IIT Madras. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question we have is, what is the primary objective of Project Vistar? We all know that it is directly linked to agricultural sector. Vistar का हमने full form देखा था ना? It is directly linked to your agricultural sector. But which one is the correct option? Correct. So we talked here about the digitalization. हमने विस्तार के अंदर किसकी बात करी थी? Digitalization की बात करी थी. That is the reason your B is the correct answer here. Next question, what is the name of the world's first agriculture specific large language model designed for Indian farmers, released by Kisan AI in December 2023? Is it Bharat AI 1.0, AgriSage 1.0, Dhenu 1.0, KrishiBot 1.0 या फिर Farm Mitra 1.0? Which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Correct. So the correct option we have is Dhenu 1.0, which is C. Next question we have is which company was developed which company has developed a gene edited non borrowing banana to reduce your food waste by borrowing banana during the harvesting and transportation? Is it Tropic Agritech Solution, Biofarm Innovation, Green Gene Technologies या फिर Fruit Guard Biotech? Which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Correct. So the correct option we have is Tropic. ठीक है. Next question, what is the total fund allocated under the cooperative startup and innovation fund which is your CSIF linked to the युवा सहाकार स्कीम? अब युवा सहाकार स्कीम के अंदर हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि हम जो है कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर में, कोऑपरेटिव स्टार्टअप्स में या फिर कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर्स में हम जो यूथ है उसकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो है वो कैसे कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम जो है हम इंडिविजुअल्स को जो हमारा जो यूथ है उसको हम कैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व करें इन सब चीज़ों के अंदर, ताकि हम इनोवेशन को ला सके, ताकि हम नए नए आइडियाज़ को ला सके और इसके अंदर जो हमारा कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर है इसके अंदर भी हमें जो इम्प्रूवमेंट है वो देखने को मिले. So I'm getting again out of the frame, you see the question and analyze which one is the correct option. Correct. So the correct option we have is C, which is 1000 crore. Next question we have is what is the minimum operational period required for the cooperative society to be eligible for the Yuva Sahakar scheme? Is it 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year या फिर 2 years? Correct. So the correct option we have is 1 year, which is D. Next question, what is the primary objective of establishing Gokul Gram under the Rashtriya Gokul Mission? Under the Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Rashtriya Gokul Mission में हमने पढ़ा था ना कि Gokul is directly related to what? Your milk production. Your milk production. ठीक है, by taking care of your livestock. So the correct option we have is to develop your indigenous bovines of high genetic merit. So A is the correct option. Next question is under which national program was the Rashtriya Gokul Mission launched? Under which mission national program was the Rashtriya Gokul Mission launched? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Correct. So the correct answer we have is B. ठीक है, B is the correct option. Next question, which organizations are collaborating to organize the Truth Tell Hackathon under the Create in India Challenge Season 1? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Now here we are talking about Truth Tell Hackathon. Truth Hackathon में हमने क्या देखा था कि जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन फैलाई जाती है उसको हम कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. तो गवर्नमेंट वो सही कि आप कुछ ऐसे इंडिविजुअल जो है वो इसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करें जिसका पूल प्राइस जो है वो 10 लाख समथिंग था. आप यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करो, आप हमें ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी दो जिससे हम क्या हो रियल इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंचा सके और जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको जो है वो कंट्रोल कर सके. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वी हैव इज सी. ठीक है. Next question is what is the name of the hackathon that was launched as a part of Waves 2025 to develop AI powered solutions for the real time misinformation detection in live broadcasting? Is it A, B, C, D or E? Correct. So the correct option we have is Truth Tell Hackathon, which we read in the previous option question. Which company unveiled a fleet of autonomous farming equipment that includes your tractor capability of efficiently spraying pesticides and fertilizers at CEC 2025? Is it A, B, C, D or E? So the correct option we have is B, which is John Deere. Next question is how many members were part of JIBCC delegation that met with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? How many members were there? So the correct answer we have is 17 members were there. Okay. Next question is that what led the Japan-India Business Cooperation Committee delegation that met with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? I think we have already done it. Yes, we have already done it. The answer is B. Next question is which component has been added to the revised LHDCP to provide good quality and affordable genetic veterinary medicines? So the correct answer we have is your Pashu Aushadhi, which is your C. Here we are talking about taking care of your livestock health. Okay, here we are talking about taking care of the health of your livestock. Okay. Next question we have is what is the total outlay that was approved for the revised livestock health and disease control program for the years 2024-25 and 2025-26? Is it 25 crore, 2500 crore, 3000 crore, 33,880 crore, 4500 crore या फिर 5000 crore? Which one is the correct option? Correct. So the correct option we have is C. Next question, as of June 2024, how many international participants from various countries have received election management training at IIDEM? So the correct answer we have is D. Okay, which includes 130 countries. Which institution did ECI, which is the Election Commission of India? Now here we are talking about the Election Commission of India. Okay, in June 2011, in June 2011, to enhance its professional competence in election management. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? So B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, in which state is your Ganga Devipalli recognized as a model village for its development initiatives located in which area? Is it Haryana, Maharashtra, Telangana, Gujarat या फिर Kerala? Which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Though I am in the frame, you can see the question, right? You will not have any problem. So correct. So the correct option we have is Telangana. Okay. C is the correct option. Next, which village in Haryana is known for the implementation of Bibi Puri model, aiming at the women empowerment and village development here? Which one is the correct option? A, B, C, D, or E? Be very quick. Just pause the video and mark the correct answer. So Bibi Pur is the one. Next, which one of the following universities was not among those where the Swavалंबनी program was virtually launched? कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में स्वावलंबनी जो प्रोग्राम है उसको लॉन्च नहीं करा गया था? एंड स्वावलंबनी प्रोग्राम हमारा क्या है कि जो बिजनेस है, बिजनेस लेड वुमेन जो है, जो जो बिजनेस है वो कैसा होना चाहिए? विमेन लेड बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट जो है उसके ऊपर हमें फोकस करना है. ठीक है, बिजनेस की डेवलपमेंट तो होनी चाहिए बट दैट शुड बी इंटायरली डन बाय द वुमेन ओनली. ठीक है, सो गवर्नमेंट इज प्रॉमिसिंग हियर कि वी विल प्रोवाइड यू फाइनेंशियल हेल्प एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द हेल्प, बट इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू ग्रो योर बिजनेस. नाउ हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वी हैव इज डी, विच इज योर JNU. ठीक है. Next question, which institution is responsible for the implementation of Swavалंबनी program? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Very good. Correct answer is your SIDBI. ठीक है. Next question is, which sector has the highest number of projects evaluated in the 88th NPG meeting under the PM Gati Shakti? Now here we are talking about PM Gati Shakti, और PM Gati Shakti का entirely focus क्या है? Improvement in the infrastructure, and that further improves your connectivity here. So is it A, B, C, D, or E? Correct. So the correct answer we have is A. ठीक है, A. Next question, how many infrastructure projects were evaluated during the 88th NPG meeting under the PM Gati Shakti? Is it 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12? So we read in the in that video that 11 projects were there. Next question, who was the chief guest at the CWC's 69th Foundation Day event? Which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Which one is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Correct. So it is B, which is Shri Prahlad Joshi ji. ठीक है. Next, on which date the Central Warehousing Corporation celebrated its 69th Foundation Day? Which day it was? Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Good. So the correct answer we have is C. Next question, which initiative did Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlight as evolving from vocal for local to local for global during his address at the NXT conclave? Is it Make in India, Digital India, Startup India, Atmanirbhar Bharat या फिर Skill India? So the correct answer we have is आत्मनिर्भर भारत, कि हम जो है 2047 तक क्या बन सकते हैं? सेल्फ रिलायंट बन सकते हैं, हम आत्मनिर्भर बन सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now at which venue did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the News X World channel during the NXT conclave? Now News X channel is what? It is just an international platform या फिर English platform जहाँ पे इसको ICT networks के द्वारा जो है वो publish करा गया है, which ensures कि जो हर एक international news है, ठीक है, या फिर कोई भी international कुछ भी अगर स्पोर्ट्स है, कुछ भी न्यूज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू, कुछ भी एक्टिविटी दैट इज रिलेटेड टू इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स दैट विल बी ब्रॉडकास्टेड हियर. सो व्हिच वन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वी हैव इज भारत मंडपम. ठीक है. नाउ this is it in today's video. We have entirely covered the questions that were there in wait a minute. We have done entire coverage of the questions that were there in this week's news. So यहाँ पे हमने सारी coverage कर ली है. Now your obligation is to tell me that ma'am this much was my score. So ऑल राइट, थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप द क्वेश्चंस वर क्लियर आउट एंड आई होप मैक्सिमम बच्चों ने जो न्यूज़ है उनको आइडिया था कि यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है वो किस न्यूज़ से पूछा जा रहा है. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव आइडिया दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग इन अ करेक्ट डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, अगर आप यू वर एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. नाउ द आइडिया इज नॉट कि क्वेश्चन जो है वो अच्छे से आने चाहिए. इवन इफ यू हैव आइडिया, इवन इफ यू हैव एन आइडिया कि मैं जो है मैं एकदम अच्छे से, इफ आई टॉक्ड अबाउट NXT, सो इफ द वन हु हैज़ एन आइडिया अबाउट NXT कि ये जो स्टेप्स है लिए गए थे. ठीक है, सिमिलरली हमने जो ऐप्स के बारे में बात करी थी, NHAI ऐप्स के बारे में बात करी थी, तो अगर किसी को उसका भी आइडिया है तो इट मीन्स यू आर कंटिन्यूसली वॉचिंग, यू नो, यू आर ऑन अ करेक्ट ट्रैक. बट जब एक दो बार चीज़ें और रिपीट करोगे, जब एक दो बार चीज़ें और ज़्यादा रिवाइज करोगे, तो आपको डेटा भी जो है वो याद होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द एंटायर पर्पस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो, ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर इनिशिएटिव, कि बच्चों को जो रिविजन जो है उनकी करेक्ट वे में हो, ताकि जो उनको चीज़ें हैं वो ना भूल सके और उनको भी चीज़ें रिटेन करने में हेल्प मिले. ठीक है, सो दैट इज इट. आई थैंक यू एवरी वन हु हैव ज्वाइंड माई सेशन टिल नाउ, एंड आई होप कि जो हर एक बच्चा है वो अपना स्कोर जो है वो लिख के बताएगा, सो दैट आई टू कैन गेट टू नो कि कितने बच्चे जो है वो एक्टिवली देख रहे हैं वीडियो को, एंड हु आर द वन हु आर एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटिंग, एंड इन विच डायरेक्शन योर preparation is going on. So thank you so much. I'll meet you in in the next video. Till then, take care and keep revising. Thank you so much.